Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Everyone knows Abby Lee Miller from the reality TV show Dance Moms for her tough love teaching style and dramatic pyramid reveals, but many people still wonder why she actually ended up in federal prison. It wasn't for her on-screen behavior, it was for a series of serious financial crimes she committed behind the scenes. The whole story starts back in 2010 when Abby filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, claiming she was in deep financial trouble and couldn't pay her debts. But right around that same time, her fame exploded thanks to Dance Moms. Suddenly, she wasn't broke anymore. She was earning a significant income from the show, its spin-offs, merchandise sales, and personal appearances. The problem was, she was legally obligated to report all of this new income to the bankruptcy court, and she didn't. Instead, federal prosecutors said she intentionally hid her earnings. She set up secret bank accounts and had payments funneled through them to keep the money off the official books. In total, she concealed more than $755,000 in income from the court and her creditors. The way she got caught is almost like something out of a movie. The bankruptcy judge happened to be channel surfing one night and saw Abby on television. He realized that her on-screen success didn't match her claims of poverty, which triggered the investigation that ultimately uncovered the fraud. But that wasn't the only crime she was charged with. The second major issue was an international currency violation. In 2014, after a tour in Australia, Abby had her staff smuggle about $120,000 in Australian currency back into the United States. They did this by dividing the cash into plastic bags and having her employees carry it in their luggage in amounts less than $10,000 each. This was a deliberate attempt to avoid federal reporting laws, which require you to declare any amount over $10,000 being brought into the country. So, facing two major charges, bankruptcy fraud and illegally bringing foreign currency into the U.S., Abby pleaded guilty in 2016. In May 2017, she was sentenced to 1 year and 1 day in federal prison. She was also ordered to pay a $40,000 fine and a $120,000 judgment. She ended up serving about 8 months of her sentence before being released early for good behavior to a halfway house. So, in the end, it was a classic case of trying to deceive the system and getting caught in a very public way. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this breakdown interesting and want to see more content like this, please hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update.